Public apology to the Commander, Defense Forces, General Constantine Chiwenga, Commander, Zimbabwe National Army, General Philip Valeros Banda, Commander, Air Force of Zimbabwe, Air Marshal Perence Shiri, the Generality of Zimbabwe Defense Forces, and the entire nation of Zimbabwe. We would like to apologize for the statement I had made yesterday at ZANU-PF headquarters together with my executive. I, as the leader of the Revolutionary Party's Youth League, I have reflected and personally admitted that I was ill-advised to read a statement which I and the Youth League had not originated, neither authored. The document which I read, I was handed it over by one Rodney Dangarimbisi in the morning at around 8:30 a.m., which was denigrating your high office and your person. Therefore, I kindly request General Chiwenga to please accept my apologies on behalf of the Youth League and myself. We are still young people, we are still growing up, we learn from our mistakes, and from this big mistake, we have learned a lot. I also like to emphasize that this statement which I have given, I have not been persuaded, neither coerced or forced to do as such. I'm emphasizing that I have reflected on my own as a young person, as a leader of the Youth League. Hence, I have come to this juncture of offering myself to the state media to give this public apology. We shall also make frantic efforts to approach the commanders of our defense forces in person so that we convey this apology. I thank you.